parking.
Yeah, you are. Hi guys. Today we're leaving the Grand Canyon and we're heading to Las Vegas for the weekend. So we'll be in Vegas from today, which is Friday, through to Monday. Yay.
Whole weekend in Vegas. Vegas, baby.
We are going to be driving past the Hoover Dam on the way into Vegas, so it would be rude not to stop, obviously. Yeah, we'll keep you updated of our journey on the way. Bye! Hoover Dam. You can see the shadow that bridge was stood on.
Yeah, if I go like this, where am I?
I can't see you. And look at this. This is what we're heading towards. Awesome.
Yeah, it's coming our way.
I have to admit, the dam is smaller than I thought it would be. So San Andreas lied. Hoover Dam is still here, and we're driving on it.
Things they can do with modern technology.
Movie magic. Up there in the distance is the bridge we were just stood on. It's really, really high.
We've done all the roofing here for the shelter. It was all quite really nice.
Maybe they had to do it because of the sun.
Hey everyone, we've parked up down actually at the Hoover Dam. We're just behind it now. And for Nana and Grandad and Jez and Em, when we were here, you may remember this is the bit where there was a shop where we stood, which has now turned into a car park. And this little balcony here is where we first heard of Cheetos, when the little kids were feeding the Cheetos to the fish down below. But it's now a car park. Hey you.
Hey sweetheart. So, Anthony, did you know that we're currently in Arizona time? But if we get over there, we'll be in Nevada time, which is an entirely different time zone. So that means we...
Frankly, my dear, I just don't give a Hoover Dam. Oh dear, that's a long way down. Yeesh. Oh yeah, the big end there.
Oh, you child. Yeah, you know that rain cloud that we filmed before? Yeah, it started to rain on us. Boom. Double rainbow! Yes! Epic! Yeah.
Hi everybody, welcome. We just checked in at Circus. We paid, well, I think if you followed us on Facebook, we paid £24 a night, except for Sunday night, which we paid about £14 for. It's the cheapest we could find in Vegas as well, which is great. And this is the Circus Sky Tower. We paid for the Manor Lodge, which is like a motel where you have to cross the road, and it's meant to be really basic and just like a Motel 6 Super 8 type of thing. But for some reason we got upgraded. I don't know why. We told her it was our honeymoon.
Yeah. And she was like, "Oh, I'm really sorry I couldn't get you the king room that you bought. You paid for. So you've got 2 queens instead." Yeah. But we didn't even pay for this.
We're on the 25th floor, so we actually get a view of the strip and the mountains as well. So down there you've got Treasure Island and stuff at the bottom of the strip, and then over on the right there's mountains, but it's just absolutely hammering it down with rain, so you might not be able to see it so well.
And this is the dome thingy.
This is the Adventure Dome, the indoor theme park with roller coasters and stuff, which we will go and check out in a moment. Well,
we've got to go and get our bags.
And we've got to do laundry.
This is going to be a mission. Saturday night.
On a Saturday night.
We're driving from Circus Circus, which you saw in the previous clip, to the MGM Grand because we're going to go and see Cirque du Soleil, baby.
Yeah, we're going to go see the show called Car. It's spelled K-A.
Like the Ford.
Yeah, which is the newest, most elaborate set, we believe, so it should be good fun. Sorry that we haven't given you much footage of anything else as of yet, but we've only sort of, well, we spent the day just sort of walking around the shops, didn't we? So it wasn't really anything worth filming, so
we did
thought we'd give you a bit.
Purchase some essentials, so we went to the North Vegas outlet mall, and then when we arrived yesterday, you would have seen the footage of Hoover Dam.
We just went out for a meal, didn't we?
Yeah, and did our laundry.
Did our laundry, yeah. So not having the Vegas baby kind of moment here. But that's it tonight. Showtime.
Whoop, whoop. This is where you come to see the fountain. We were on the other side, so the lobby side when we saw them. Too cold. Oh gee. Hey hey! Brittany's on the left. Holla girl! See Car at the MGM, which is on the right of your screen. You've got Zoomanity at New York, New York, which is the soft film.
Adult version of
the rude one. We're not seeing that one. Despite people trying to give us the little cards for a couple show last night.
Oh yes.
We won't be indulging in any of that.
No. English.
Oh gosh, no. So as we mentioned, Anthony and I have come to see Car at the MGM Grand. This looks amazing. That's just a shop and the bar with this massive dragon. There's also a couple of UFC fights on tonight here and some rodeo thing. It's all happening. There's a surprise.
This is awesome.
Wait for another fireball now.
Good morning, everybody. Sorry we didn't actually film after the show Car last night. We were just tired and just wanted to get straight back to the hotel.
Not just that, but you had our theatre, you had the comedy theatre, you had the arena for the 2 UFC games, plus something else was going on at the MGM.
Yeah, it was
and we all
rammed.
at the same time.
Yeah, so we were stuck in lots of traffic, we got lost, but safe and sound. So now this is the next morning. We've decided to spend the day in the Fremont Street and downtown area of Vegas, which is pretty cool. So we're just literally arriving to the front of it now. We're parked up and we're going to go find some local vegan restaurant which has got good reviews. Should be down here for lunch because we're starving, haven't had any breakfast. And yeah, we'll catch up with you as we get on Fremont Street. Bye. Right, so here we are at the entrance to Fremont Street. This is the giant lit up roof, open roof. Oh look, they're just people zip lining. Is it really that painful? Okay, so we're actually going to be doing that zip line a bit later on, so you're going to see us on that, but we're going up on the very highest one, which is the Slotzilla zip line. So we just decided to do it. Oh yeah, it's right at the back in the distance there. But we decided to do Slotzilla in the evening, so it'll all be lit up, so it should get a good view, and we should hopefully be able to film it as well. That's the zip line we're doing right at the top. It goes all Superman style. Right, this place is unreal. It's called the Heart Attack Grill. If you weigh over 350 pounds, you get to eat for free. So you actually weigh yourself before you go in. Which obviously, I'm sure there'll be plenty of Americans that will be able to fit that. And it has the world's highest calorie burger in the Guinness Book of Records. 9,982 calories. They're having a game of guess the weight. I know, I also really like this. Send hate mail. So here we are at Veggie Nation, a local vegetarian restaurant, vegan restaurant. I'm having this awesome veggie burger, chips. Kelly's gone for a lovely breakfast, cold cream waffle. You good? Good. And we've got this wonderful peanut butter chocolate smoothie, and Kelly's got some orange smoothie as well. And live music playing in the room, as you can hear. So we finished our brunch. Kelly's cold. I don't know why. It's not cold.
It is. It's really cold.
And well, we've just come around the corner to find this place called the Downtown Container Park. Emily might like this, as they were considering having a container house that they were going to build. But what they've done is build a little sort of shopping complex of cafes and things to do, all out of shipping containers. Very, very cool. Just found this little jerky place that does vegan jerky as well, which is pretty cool. Investigate what that's made of. Love the sign outside the front. Let's hope you don't get the dry rubs on the nutsacks, because that could hurt. You get to meet Santa. Some of the Santas we've seen have been really realistic, but this guy's he's actually kind of dyed his beard, eyebrows and hair like a kind of silvery grey. It's almost like he's spray painted it. At least it's dry. So we have a praying mantis. It used to be an army truck by the looks of it. It's a bit of art installation. You're learning some fun facts.
It moves.
It's what? It moves? Cool.
4,000 watts surround sound system built in it.
And it can speak over 20 different languages.
It burns.
When's that? Oh, no, every night at sundown, where the mantis is awakened by a drum circle celebration. The call to the mantis. Awesome. Every night at sundown. Oh. Well, we may come back and have a look at that later then. If not, goodbye, Mr. Mantis. Right, now we're going to go to a coffee store. What's it called? The Beat.
They sell vinyl records.
It's a Beat coffee store. It's meant to have the best coffee in Vegas, and they sell vinyl records, so you can browse through an LP collection whilst having a coffee. Which sounds perfect. I like this area actually. It's cool artwork, graffiti art on the walls. And they got very, very demanding traffic signalling. Wait! Wait! No, wait! It won't let you cross until it's time. It's the sun is setting, As you can see in the distance there, you've got the stratosphere. We're in downtown to see the praying mantis. We can hear the drum call.
You have a simple task, it's a very simple task, okay? You make whatever beat you want, as long as simple, so these guys follow you, okay? When I say rumble, go straight.
I think they woke him up with their drum.
Everyone, right here, say good morning, man.
Got a lot of people out rallying. Fair enough. Okay, so it's the evening, or almost time for us to go up to the top of this zip line. Oh dear. So 5 minutes before we head up. Excited. Green wire. It's a sexy look. Bulletproof vest time. Here we go.
You ready for this, Anthony?
Yes.
We're a bit high up. I'm a little bit scared.
And I'm scared of heights. This is great. This is exactly what I need.
Your outfit is so cute. And your man bag too.
Well, we survived. We finished the zip wire. The zoom line. That was fun.
You go really fast.
Yeah, you do go quite fast. You really get about halfway down and you start to really gain some speed. I've got a good takeoff as well because you have to pull yourself at the beginning. And I turned around and everyone was still left behind, so I won. Well, there was a race, but I won. I got to the end of it.
I got a load of wind in my face, so I kind of stopped.
I didn't fart.
But then I like tucked everything in to make myself more streamlined, and I went, and I overtook the other lady that was on it. That equals me going fast. That was fun.
Anyway, right, we're going to go back to the hotel, park up, and then head over to the link to get some food and drink. Yes, we need it. We need a drink. Catch you later.
Really just